The Dance of Destiny, Unraveling Life's Mysteries. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing expression, the dance of destiny. This phrase is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your comprehension of the English language. Let's embark on this journey together and explore what makes this phrase so captivating. The dance of destiny combines two powerful words, dance and destiny. Dance, in this context, symbolizes movement, rhythm, and the flow of life. It's an art form that expresses emotions, tells stories, and connects people across cultures. Destiny, on the other hand, refers to the future events that are believed to be inevitable. It's often seen as the predetermined course of our lives, shaped by a mix of fate, choices, and external factors. When we put these words together, the dance of destiny evokes a beautiful metaphor for how life unfolds in ways that are both planned and spontaneous. It suggests that our lives are like a dance, guided by the unseen hand of destiny, where every step represents our choices and the unpredictable twists and turns of fate. This phrase isn't just a collection of words. It's steeped in cultural and literary significance. It has been used in various forms of art, literature, and everyday language to convey the complexity of human experiences and the mysterious forces that shape our existence. Understanding the dance of destiny can enrich your appreciation for English literature and arts, as it often appears in discussions about life's unpredictability and the human condition. In literature, this metaphor can highlight characters' struggles, triumphs, and the serendipitous events that lead them to their fates. It helps readers connect on a deeper level with the stories and their own lives, seeing the beauty in the unpredictable nature of existence. Incorporating the dance of destiny into your language can add depth to your conversations and writings. It can be used to reflect on life's unpredictability. When discussing life's ups and downs, this phrase can encapsulate the notion that not everything is within our control. Express philosophical thoughts. It's a great way to convey your thoughts on fate, destiny, and the journey of life in a poetic manner. Discuss literature and art. This phrase is a handy tool when analyzing characters, themes, and narratives that explore the concept of fate and destiny. Remember, using expressions like the dance of destiny can make your English more nuanced and expressive. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the dance of destiny. This phrase is a beautiful reminder of the intricate blend of choice and chance that defines our lives. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of the English language and inspired you to think deeply about the forces that shape our destinies. Until next time, keep dancing through the journey of learning and discovery.